I am at the range today. I had to come by for just a few minutes because you never know what you're going to find at someone's yard sale. So I had to bring it on over to the range and see if we can test it out for some target practice. I'll show you what I got. Go. I have a gigantic rock chuck. Never know what someone's going to be getting rid of at the yard sale. Let's go ahead and set that up and see how it likes being out on the range with me. No rock chucks are going to be harmed. Well, unless they see what I'm doing to their styrofoam cousin. I'm not sure how this thing's going to hold up, but we're going to use my 22 caliber Ruger Mark IV with my gigantic scope on it. It takes 22 caliber long rifle ammo. And let's just see how our rock chuck does. Alright, we are at about 15 yards at the moment. See if I can zoom in here. Alright, 15 yards. With our volunteer rock chuck. Made out of styrofoam, I guess. Well, either I didn't hit him at all, which seems unlikely, or he's one tough rock chuck. Let's go take a look. Alright, you can see we have some entrance holes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 entrance holes. Let's turn him around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 exit holes. Well, looks like our 22 ammunition went right through our happily volunteering rock chuck. That was kind of fun, unless you were the rock chuck. Thank you for your voluntary cooperation, Mr. Foam Rock Chuck.